Y'all, so this is a homework question out of 2.7. Let's see. Let me make sure I got my volume up so everybody can hear. There we go. Okay. So y'all, this is a homework problem out of 2.7. This is problem number 6. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to get my pen to work. Here we go. Number 6. Okay, so it says two functions f and g are related by the given equation. Use the numerical representation of f to make one for g. Okay, so let's take a look, y'all. We got g of x is equal to f of negative x plus 2. Okay, and here is my original table. So, y'all, we're going to make a table for g of x, okay, right here. Okay, so let's do this. The first thing I want y'all to notice is that we have a negative on the inside of our x, okay? So y'all, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come back to my notes, and right here, when we have a negative on the inside of the x, what we're going to do is we're going to change the signs of our x values. So y'all, I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to change these signs right here. So that's going to become a positive 2, a positive 1, a 0, a negative 1, and a negative 2. Okay, so that's the first step. I was dealing with this. Second step, let's deal with that plus 2 on the outside. Okay, sorry. If I'm going to deal with that plus 2 on the outside, so let me see if I can do this. Let me zoom in a little bit. Here we go again. Y'all, I'm getting this from my study guide that I sent you guys. If we got a plus on the outside, we're going up, we're going to add whatever number that is. In this case, it was 2 to our y values. So look, y'all, I'm going to add 2 to these numbers right here. So 10 plus 2 is 12, 7 plus 2 is 9, 4 plus 2 is 6, 2 plus 2 is 4, and negative 1 plus 2 is 1. Okay, now what I got to figure out is how am I going to use that here, okay? Now, y'all, I want you to notice something. Look where I'm starting here. The x is positive 2, positive 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2. Well, we're starting at negative 2 right here. And when x is negative 2, my y number should be 1. And when x is negative 1, my y number should be 4. And when x is 0, my y number should be 6. When x is 1, my y number should be 9. And when x is 2, my y number should be 12. And that's what I would fill out, okay? Y'all, there's another one similar, okay, right here. And it says we're going to do the same thing. Two functions, f and g, are related by this guy right here. Let's use the numerical representation of f. We're going to use this table that we have, this one right here, to write one for g. So y'all, what I'm going to do, I know there's a table there, but I'm going to go ahead and write out my own, okay? And let's see if we can't figure out what we're supposed to be doing here. Okay, first thing I want you to notice, on the inside of my parentheses, we got a plus 1. So y'all, I'm going to come back over here. On the inside of my parentheses, on the inside, we have a plus. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to subtract, in this case, 1, again, from my x values. So I'm going to come back over here, y'all, and I go minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So that's 0, that's 1, that's 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? Let's see what else we got. We got a minus 3. Now that minus 3, y'all, is on the outside right here. Boom, that minus 3 is on the outside, so we're going to subtract 3, but now we're going to subtract them from the y values. So y'all, I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to go minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, and minus 3. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 7 minus 3 is 4. 8 minus 3 is 5. And 11 minus 3 should give me 8. Okay, so we subtracted 3 from each of those values. Now, y'all, I want you to notice something right here. Let's come back here. And let's do this. Let's not worry about what we got right there, okay? Ooh, let's see. Let's get rid of this guy. Okay. Now let's take a look what we got. Look, x is 1. Oops, sorry. Let's make that a little smaller. Boom. Oops. Okay. X is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to have 0, 1, 4,